Hi, Apsara garu.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Dangerous.
Dangerous.
Yes.
You're making my Eastern dangerous as a dangerous.
Yes, of course, we're all making as a team, making it very dangerous and unique, I think. Yeah.
You worked with RGV, right? What's the thing you learned from RGV?
I think I want to learn his creativity. Of course, I can't learn completely all his creativity, but yeah, I'll try to learn his creativity and the way he thinks out of the box and very different and so quickly. And I love that about him, yes.
Okay. Other than that, what you like from RGV?
He's a very honest person. He's very honest and he respects women. I've never seen any Indian man respecting women as much as he does, which is great because being into acting and working with him, I think having that kind of respectful zone and that respectful vibe. And I could also be so comfortable on set. So I think it's great working with him, yes.
Actually, you are a commanding type. RGV sir also said. But in this movie, you make as a girly.
Yeah.
Is girly is there in you?
Actually, I'm a little less girly. Like my interests are taekwondo and all these kind of things, and I think I'm a little tomboy. I love driving. I love driving super fast and all of that. I love doing what guys do. Guys like to do, but I'm girly in one thing. I love dressing up. I love wearing different kind of clothes, and I love doing makeup. I love jewelries. You can all see that. So yeah, this way I'm girly. Yeah.
You love traditional dress.
Yeah, I love saris. So if it's my dream role to do a song in a sari in the rain and all of that. So yeah.
Like traditional movies, a lot of girls are did like Alia Bhatt, a lot of members even in Tollywood also. With even Aishwarya Rai also, Nagada song, a lot of songs are there. If you want to remake that song, means which song you will choose?
I would. I don't think I would want to remake. I think they did a great job in their own way, and I think I would like to do something different, something new for sure. But yeah, I would love to wear something traditional and do because I'm a Kathak dancer and I've not.
Really?
Yeah. And I love the traditional dance form, and I hope I get an opportunity someday to showcase that. Yeah.
Okay. After this movie, which product is ready?
I have few. I have signed a few films, but I don't want to say it now because we'll have a proper launch. So I want to keep it for that. Yeah.
Okay. Is that movie in Tollywood or Bollywood?
I've signed one in Tollywood and two films in Bollywood. Yeah.
Actually, I'm so excited with which hero you are acting. At least hero name.
I can't say anything right now.
Okay, then in Tollywood, which hero? Who is your favorite hero?
Mahesh Babu. Yeah, he's so handsome, and I think he looks very dreamy on screen. So yeah, him.
And now Sarkar Varpata, Mahesh Babu movie is coming on May 12th. Yeah, are you ready to watch with Mahesh Babu if you get that chance?
Oh yeah, if I get a chance, I'll definitely. But I know he's a married man, so I want to stay away from him for that reason. But yeah, but as a fangirl, I really like him, and I'll probably May 12th I'll go watch it with my family.
Can I expect you said one movie in Tollywood with Mahesh Babu? Shall we expect?
That depends on Mahesh Babu, and that depends on directors. And if they offer me, I will definitely do it.
Okay. While shooting, you will get any jealous? RGV sir is close with Naina, like that means you will get jealous?
No. It's why? Because I love Naina, I love Sir, and Sir is not like that. I think he creates. I will feel Sir loves me the most, and Naina will feel Sir loves me. So he knows how to. He's always been around women, so I think he knows how to maintain the balance. So that never really happened. Yeah.
But actually showing caring for some people means we obviously will get jealous. Like that you won't get any jealous.
See, I honestly I never feel jealous because I don't have any expectations from anybody. I think jealousy is not a right feeling to feel. I would say. Yeah.
Then you're following.
I think only one. There's only one person or I would say my puppy. He's the only one who can make me feel jealous. If he is sitting on anybody else's lap, I get so jealous because he's mine. He can't go. But anybody else, I think I'm very cool. Yeah.
Then you're also following RGV rules.
What rules of?
Like don't getting jealous and don't depend on anyone. What you are thinking, just do that.
Yeah, of course I agree to his rules of this, but these are, I think, my rules also in life. I have learned this. I think my experiences in life have made me realize we shouldn't have expectations, because expectations is a baggage on the other person, and it's never good to have, because the other person, because of the baggage, they will be, the relations get spoiled. Yeah,
Do you have boyfriend?
I'm single.
Single.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm so single. Anyone can ever be right now.
ఇప్పుడు ఇది చూసాక లైక్ ఎవ్రీ బాయ్ విల్ కమ్ అండ్ ప్రపోజ్ యూ రైట్ నౌ.
I don't know. I hope that happens, but yeah, I'm very single. Yeah.
At least in your school days you get any proposal?
Yeah, a lot. Yeah.
Yes.
School days, actually, I think I had not developed my hormones. I had never liked guys in school, because they used to be playing, they used to be dirty with all the, mud, and I never liked them. But in college, yeah, guys were good, and I used to get proposals, and I used to like a guy, but he's married now, and he's a father of 1 or 2 kids. So yeah, so now I don't take men seriously anymore.
If you want to give one challenge to RGV means what you will give?
Challenge?
Yeah.
To kiss a guy.
Kissy guy. Oh my god, it's
Because I
real.
know he will fail.
Really?
Yeah.
So ఈ ఇంటర్వ్యూ షో దిస్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ టు ఆర్జీవి సార్
Oh, he-
and and even you also said to RGB, I gave this challenge, kiss with a guy. Then what's the response? We are
He
waiting
will
to
lose. He will say, I lost the challenge, and it'll be done.
Okay. Anyways, he won't accept that challenge. Other than
He will just say, I'll give up. He will give up immediately, the next second, the next moment. Yeah.
okay, what's the thing you don't like in RGB? నచ్చింది ఏంటిది?
One thing I don't like about him is he doesn't take care of his eating habits are really bad. He doesn't eat well. He eats very little, and he'll be just standing and he eats immediately. So he doesn't pay attention to food. He hates food. So that's one thing I hate about him, because I want him to take care of his food habits and everything, so that he makes 10 more movies for me. So indirectly I'm being selfish, but yeah, that's one thing I want him to take care of.
Okay. I asked this question for Naina also. Any similarities? Then Naina said one answer. If I ask her same question for you, what's the similarities for you and RGB means?
There are actually a few similarities, because I have a kind of principles that I follow in life, and I also agree to how he lives his life and he follows. So yeah, there are a lot of principles. Yes.
Okay. Ask anything. RGB said conducted one press meet about ask anything. Lot of students came, not only boys, even girls also there. How's that feeling?
I think it was great, because I could see the kind of energy in those. I think they got me. They were giving such positive and such energetic vibes. I think it was great. And I also feel, as actors, and I think there is a relationship between the actors and the viewers, and it's always good to closely address it. And I think that again makes the bond really well. So I loved the
And
interaction.
it gives you some boost for this movie also.
Yeah, a lot of boost, and the excitement. Oh my god, I was so excited because of their excitement, and I know because they all will go for the film. And being a new actor, I think this is great, because getting such kind of response. Of course, it was for RGV sir, but we are also products of RGV sir, and it feels great, yeah, to see that kind of response.
Okay. You are actor for this movie. I know that you are a heroine, but as an audience, out of 5, how much rating you will give?
Out of 5, I think I would give 5.
5 out of 5.
Yes.
Oh, that credit goes to?
Uh,
That credit goes to?
RGV sir, of course, 100%.
Okay, nice meeting you. Thank you so much. Really so happy to talk with you guys. Thank you and all the best.
Thank you.
సో చూసారు కదండి. సో ఈ మూవీకి అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 5 రేటింగ్ ఎంత ఇస్తారంటే 5కి 5 ఇచ్చేశారు. సో May 6th మూవీ రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది, అండ్ డిఫరెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్తో ఆర్జీవి గారు అలాగే అప్సరా అండ్ నైనా గారు కూడా ఈ మూవీ ద్వారా మన ముందుకు వస్తున్నారు. మీకు ఎలా అనిపించింది ఏంటి అనేది కూడా సినిమా చూసి కింద కమెంట్స్లో తెలియజేయండి మా అందరికీ.